Hi everybody, it's Sharon Cuneta. I know a lot of you have been waiting for us to confirm the rumors.
Hello mga kabayan sa United States at saka sa Canada. Meron po kami magandang balita.
Well, I would like to invite you, everyone in North America, the USA and Canada, to wait for us in October and November 2024.
Ang Dear Heart Concert Tour ay matutuloy na po itong October and November 2024. Kasama ko po si Sharon.
For the Dear Heart Concert Tour with Gabby Concepcion.
So take care guys. Hope to
We'll see you there. God bless you and lots of love.